A somewhat similar approach to capturing multiple icons, was shared by Tournevis, who had a specific Moleskine notebook dedicated to capturing her different icons. And I think, if I remember correctly, she developed these while she was reading Mike Rohde's books, Sketchnote Handbook and the Sketchnote Workbook. I think she mentioned that her original idea was um, obviously to capture an icon here in the boxes and then have this white space for notes related to those icons. She said she ended up realizing right away that she didn't really need any added commentary or things like that. But one other potential way to use that space would be like Mullane did, just use it to brainstorm a list of words related to that icon. And I would imagine the having a notebook dedicated to the storage of your visual vocabulary would be a useful thing, just because you have all your icons there in one place that you can go back and review, and as new ones come up, you have a consistent place to add those icons. So I thought that was the cool example of that. Tournevis also shared a couple of other subject-specific icon sets related to her work as a instructor of a course on the literature of the imaginary. So a fiction course, fiction, yeah, right, reading fiction course, I believe. And she found that there were kind of these icons that she used consistently throughout that course, ones that came up time and time again. In particular, science fiction related icons here, as you can imagine, based on what you see. And that she was able to use these recently too in the annual meeting of the Popular Culture Association. And I think Tournevis is specifically involved with the science fiction area of that association. So you can see how she was able to pull out the many of those same icons. So using them in a live event.